Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 7 cubes and cube roots, and we'll do the revision of the topic estimation method to find cube root of given numbers. So let us start. Question number 1. Find the cube root of 91125 using estimation method. For doing it, firstly we'll write the number 91125, and from the rightmost side we will make the group of 3. So from the last we'll take 125, that we will form a group number 1 of 3 digit numbers. Then whichever numbers will be left, we will take it as group 2. So in step 1 we will form 2 groups. Group 1 will be 125, that we will take from the rightmost side from the back of 3. Then group 2 will be 91. Then step 2 we will take group 1. Now what will happen, that group 1's unit place digit will give us the unit place digit of the required cube root. So we will underline the unit place digit of this group 1 member, that is 125, and the unit place of 125 is 5. So what we need to do is, on the side we'll take the cube of 5, that is 125, and 5. The number which will come in the cube of 5 will be the unit place digit of the required cube root. So we have taken group 1 125, and we have taken the cube of 5 125. Now therefore 5 is the unit place digit of the required cube root. Means just we have to take the cube of the number which is in the group 1, and the number which will be in the unit place digit of cube of that number will be the unit place digit of the required cube root. Now step 3, we will take group 2, that is equals to 91. For that what we need to do is, we will take the cubes of different number. Let us see 1 cube, that is 1, 2 cube, that is 8, 3 cube, that is 27, 4 cube, that is 64, 5 cube, that is 125. And now we can see 91 lies between the cube of 4 and 5. 91 is lying between the cube of 4 and 5, and smaller among 4 and 5 is 4. Therefore tens place digit of the required cube root is 4. So cube root of 91125, from step 1 you can see that 5 is the unit place digit of the number, so 5 will be written as on unit place, and 4 is the tens place, so 4 will be written as the tens place. Therefore cube root of 91125 is 45. Now question number 2, find the cube root of 12167 using estimation method. Again we will do like that. from the rightmost side we will take 3-digit number in group 1 and the rest of the numbers in group 2. So step 1, form groups. Group number 1 will be 167 and group number 2 will be 12. And step 2 will give us the unit place digit of the cube root of the required number. So we'll take group 1 167 and underline the unit place digit of 167, and on the side we'll take 7 cube, that is 343. So that means 3 will be the unit place digit of the required cube root, as the unit place digit of 167 is 7. Therefore the unit place digit of the required cube root will be 3. Now step 3, we will take group 2 in that, and group 2 is 12. On the side we'll write the cube of the number. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. As you can see, 12 lies between 8 and 27. So 12 lies between 8 and 27, that is cube of 2 and 3. Smaller among 2 and 3 is 2. Therefore tens place digit of the required cube root is 2. So therefore cube root of 12167 is equals to 23, because 2 is the tens place digit and 3 is the ones place digit.